This car, 1750 horsepower supercar, was attempting to break the speed record, reach 300 miles per hour in both directions. The $1.9 million SSC Tuatara claimed the production car speed record in January with a 282.9 mile per hour average across 2 runs in opposite directions. That's what you have to do, by the way.
Whoa.
You have to go in opposite directions. So then the wind didn't play a factor, like the elements. You got to prove it both ways if you're looking for the big title. The mark was they also had a higher mark, 316 miles per hour on a closed public highway in Nevada, but then that was contested because they had some questions around the equipment being whether it was calibrated or not that was judging the speed.
Oh.
So it's been a bit of a controversy going, okay, you're going to really break this record. Now, Will knows this. I'm not sure if you know this, Mo, but there's only one vehicle that has topped that 300 mark for this type of run. Production car. I should say production car. Mm-hmm. We'll let you know which one it was. He doesn't even need to scroll.
I actually don't remember.
Oh, buddy.
We watched the video together.
Was that the Chiron?
Come on, Willie. Do have some confidence, man. The Bugatti. Yeah, you got it. You got it, man.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, of course.
I was thinking whether it's the Chiron or the Viron.
No, it's the Chiron.
Oh, okay. Okay, good. I feel confident.
Come on, Will. You just barrel into it. If you got it, you got it. If you don't, you don't.
Yeah.
We did a game. Fine. We did a game. I was playing a game with the kids around a campfire. It's like a mobile game by the name of Spyfall.
Okay.
Have you guys heard of this one? No. It's pretty simple. There's so many games like this, but what it is it's kind of like that game with the imposter.
Oh yeah. Where one person's a killer and everybody
exactly, and you got to ask questions and keep bringing it down. And there's so many scenarios which are a coin flip. Like it's like if you answer this one way, for sure it's you. If you answer it the other way, you're still in the game. If you're the spy, I'm saying. Mm-hmm. And so that's the example where Will has to barrel into it. Because at least you got a 50% chance at that point.
Sure.
Like in his mind, he was like, I think it might be the Chiron. Mm-hmm. If he barreled in, because he's going to say it anyway, he limped in instead. This is like poker stuff too, by the way. If he barreled in, we would just been like, damn right, that's what he do.
Yeah.
And it was the same answer. It was just the delivery. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden we buy it, and then we fold, and he wins the pot.
I don't know if that works like that.
So really, Will's just a bad poker player.
Sure. Yeah.
That's what we've come down to.
I'm just saying.
Imagine if I said something really ridiculous. Like,
and barreled into it?
Yeah.
I'd have respect for that
confidence.
too. I have respect for that too.
It's
No, you're right.
It's my car.
No, you're right. Sometimes you got
95 Civic or something.
Sometimes you got to play it safe. Sometimes you got to hedge your bets.
Yeah.
And you go in, you limp in, and that can be beneficial too. You can bait people like that.
Sure, yeah. Like pose yourself as weak.
Yeah, you could be like, Willie Duke could be like,
bang.
I don't know anything about these cars. You're asking the wrong guy. And then he could be like, he could be like, probably those is Chiron. And we all be like, damn. You see, we're all surprised instead. Anyway, the Chiron was clocked 304.77 at a Volkswagen test track in Germany. But that was only in one direction. So this one wants to defeat that. However, there was a big mishap.
Oh no.
Disaster.
The vehicle was being transported to Florida to do another run at the record. And then the car carrier that it was in was hit by high winds and flopped over and smashed the whole thing, which has gotten in the way of running more tests on. Obviously, this is a very fine piece of machinery. There's going to have to be some serious work done to revitalize this.
I guess it's one of one.
How dare you?
It's customized too.
You know this already well. Yeah, the whole body, the tub is carbon fiber. Like there's going to be a lot of repair stuff over here, but they say most of it is intact. So it's going to be some touch-ups, and then they're back on the road, and they want that title.
Oh, really? They're going to be able to repair this?
Oh,
still break records?
Oh, there you go.
Okay.
Few professionals over there.
I was just about to ask if that's how the car looks. How does the truck look?
Yeah, the truck doesn't look good. You imagine you're just in Utah. You're just transporting the world's fastest car prototype.
Yeah.
And then the wind hits. And you're like, and you feel yourself going over. Like, I assume nobody's injured, but you just feel like, oh boy. And you're like, I had one job. I had to get this from here to there in the wind of all things. You see, you can never prepare yourself.
With nature or just in general?
No, well, that's nature, yeah.
Yeah.
Life, nature, fast cars.
Nature won this time.
Bugattis. Is that snow coming down? Sure looks like it. Where are they?
Utah, no?
Why is that? Does that look like snow to you?
Yeah.
It's weird.
Oh.
Look at them pulling it out, but all smashed out. I mean, it's so depressing, actually.
Yeah. It's really sad.
Anyway, I'm sure they'll fix it.